Ultimate Guitar is one of the most popular apps out there for learning guitar, but is it really the best choice for beginners and seasoned players alike? Let's dive into what it has to offer and see if it lives up to the hype. Ultimate Guitar primarily serves as a platform for guitar tabs and chords, making a treasure trove for anyone looking to learn or play their favorite songs. The user interface is pretty straightforward, which is a big plus for beginners. You can easily search for songs, browse through a vast library, and even save your favorites for quick access later. One feature that stands out is the ability to view tabs in different formats, including standard notation and chord charts. This flexibility can really help users at different skill levels. They also offer a metronome and tuner, which are handy tools for practice. However, while the app is packed with resources, some users might find the navigation a bit cluttered. The sheer volume of content can be overwhelming, and it's not always clear how to access certain features right away. Plus, some areas lack detailed explanations, which could leave beginners feeling a little lost. When it comes to pros, the extensive library of tabs and chords is definitely a highlight, catering to a wide range of musical tastes. Also, the community aspect allows users to share their own tabs and interact with others, which can be quite motivating. On the downside, some users have reported frustrations with the app's subscription model, as many features are locked behind a paywall. There's also the challenge of sifting through user-generated content, which can vary in quality. For those who prefer a more structured learning approach, the app may feel a bit chaotic at times. Overall, while Ultimate Guitar is fantastic for casual players and those looking to learn specific songs, it might not be the best fit for everyone, especially if you prefer guided lessons. So should you give Ultimate Guitar a try? If you're a casual player looking to learn songs quickly, it's definitely worth exploring. However, if you want a more comprehensive learning experience with structured lessons, you might want to check out alternatives. Overall, it feels like a solid tool, but just be aware of its limitations.